Welcome back to your favorite channel, Math Helpers. See exercise 8.1, question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. As shown in the figure 8.23, show that angle A is equal to angle B. You have to show that this angle A is equal to angle B. Now, hint is given, extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to DA intersecting AB produced at E. You have to draw a line parallel to AD such that it is equal to BC or AD, and you have to extend AB up to E. This is hint given. In papers hint will not come. You have to keep in mind yourself that like this, if trapezium is there, you have to prove this angle equal to this angle. You have to firstly extend AB up to E and then you have to join CE such that CE is equal to BC. This you have to keep in mind. Very important question. Now see first part proof. You see that by construction you will do extend construction. Firstly you have to write extend AB to E and draw CE such that CE is parallel to AD and CE is equal to AD or BC. Now this is the main step. Construction you have to do. If construction you will do, then easy to do. Otherwise आपको पता नहीं लगेगा what you have to do. फिर प्रूव करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. कंस्ट्रक्शन से easy हो जाएगा. Now A is equal to B you want to prove. Now you see that AD is equal to BC given and AB is parallel to CD given, and already you have made AD parallel to EC. So AB is parallel to CD. This is first you will take AD is parallel to EC. You will put second here you write given because it is given, and here you write by construction because you have done this by construction. Then you can say that therefore AB AE, this one full AECD is a parallelogram because in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. Now AECD is a parallelogram, therefore angle A plus this one angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Either you can write allied angles or you can write that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Now suppose this angle is angle 1. Now angle A plus angle E is 180 degree. Now you want this angle. Now see this angle ABC, or you can say only B also, this angle. This plus this is also 180 degree. This plus this is also 180 degree. So you can write, suppose this is 2. You are taking 2. So angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. Linear pair forming a straight line angle. Now both are equal to 180 degree. So you can write angle A plus angle E is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. These are equal. Now you have to prove angle A equal to angle 2. Angle E is equal to angle 1, this angle, because in triangle BEC angle 1 is equal to angle E because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. They are equal. So angle 1 and angle E. In place of angle E again you can write angle 1. Angle 1 cancel. So angle A equal to angle 2. Angle 2, if you will not form this, it is B only. So angle A is equal to angle B. This you have to prove. So first part. Now second part is easy only. You know that angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree because these lines are parallel. They are allied angles. And angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. They are also allied angle, angle B plus angle C. Now both are equal to 180, so angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C. Because both are equal to 180, so they are equal to each other. And in first you have proved that angle A is equal to angle B, proved above. So angle A is equal to angle B, so in place of angle A you can write angle B. Now angle B cancel, so angle C is equal to angle D came. This only you have to prove in second. So up to second part you note down, then I will tell you third part. Now in third part you have to take triangle ABC, you have to prove congruent to triangle BAD. So you will take in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. You have to prove three things equal. AB is equal to AB. You will write here, you have to write BAD. BA. This you have to take the ABT, ABC and ABC. ABD and ABC. We will take AB is equal to AB common because it is in both. Then you have to take angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is in, see, angle A is in this triangle ABB. Angle A is equal to, and angle B is in triangle ABC. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B. Proved in first part. In first part you have proved that angle A is equal to angle B. Third thing, equal only AD is equal to BC. Because AD is coming in triangle ABD and BC is coming in triangle ABC. So you write given. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC by SAS. Two sides are there and the sides containing the angle is there. So SA, S2 sides, one angle which is contained by both equal sides. Now fourth part is the only. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC. Here you write proved in third part. Therefore, diagonal AC will come equal to diagonal BD. Here you will write by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I hope you understood this question. Thank you. Thank you.